Hey everyone, this is Scott at Scott Trades on Twitter with StockMarketMentor.com and your chart of the day. I want you to keep your sights on NAPCO Security Technologies. This is ticker NSSC. This is one of the stocks that I'm watching this week as it is actually holding up really well in this tape. You can see over the past couple of months here, NSCC has hit this clear level of resistance right around 46.40 and hasn't been able to get above 46.40, even though if I zoom out, you can see that is its all-time high. It's been in a long, drawn-out, multi-decade uptrend here, and so far, unable to get above and make a new high, but it's right underneath. And here's what I like about this chart specifically today. We had a nice up move in the market yesterday, and NSCC participated in that move and did it on good volume. And then today, had a bit of a pullback, but look how small the volume is on the pullback. And so that tells me that the sellers of this stock are not very aggressive. And the buyers are probably still in control. So I actually think that this pullback on NSCC could be a bit of a starter buy opportunity with an add spot right above this resistance, right at 46.40. So if NSCC at some point can get above and stay above that level and do it on volume, I definitely think that could be an actionable idea if you're looking to trade this stock. Now, it doesn't trade a ton of shares. I typically like to trade stocks that trade 1 million shares, but I do like the fact that this went up on high volume, higher than average volume, and then pulled back today and did it on way less than average volume. So the stock is in a nice uptrend, looks like it has some positive past earnings results, and it even pays a bit of a dividend. So that's just one stock of many that we're looking at tonight at StockMarketMentor.com. If you want to see the whole list, it's easy to do. Click that link, take a trial of our website, and hopefully I'll see you on the other side.